It is within this context that Tharaka Invention Academy, based in East Africa, is fully dedicated to sharing its invention and innovation courses with the world beginning in May of 2024. We will be regularly sharing how our courses will transform the lives of 101 different types of careers across a huge spectrum of work and activities. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share our videos to help us reach out to this group of people whose lives can be dramatically transformed for the better through our help. Goodbye for now. Memorization or creativity? Greetings, family. This is Professor Singer from Tharaka Invention Academy. The 20th century model of public education has often been critiqued for its limited focus on creativity development in students. This model, largely designed during the Industrial Revolution, was primarily aimed at preparing a workforce with the skills necessary for factory work and clerical jobs, emphasizing conformity, standardization, and rote learning. The curriculum and teaching methods were structured around memorization and the acquisition of specific bodies of knowledge, with less emphasis on critical thinking, problem solving, and creative expression. However, it's important to note that there were movements and educational theorists within the 20th century who advocated for more creativity in education. Progressive education movements, led by figures like John Dewey, emphasized learning by doing, critical thinking, and the development of problem-solving skills. These approaches sought to make education more responsive to the needs and interests of students, encouraging exploration and creativity. Despite these efforts, the dominant model of education often remained rigid, with standardized testing and a one-size-fits-all curriculum that did not adequately cater to fostering creativity and individual talents. This has led to ongoing debates about educational reform and the need for educational systems that better support creativity, innovation, and personalized learning paths to prepare students for the complexities of the 21st century. In recent years, there has been a growing recognition of the importance of creativity in education, with more educators and policymakers advocating for STEAM, science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics education, project-based learning, and other approaches that encourage creative thinking and innovation. These developments reflect a shift towards valuing creativity as a critical skill for navigating the challenges and opportunities of the modern world. For further reading on the evolution of educational models and their impact on creativity, sources such as Sir Ken Robinson's works on education and creativity, including his famous TED Talk, "Do Schools Kill Creativity?" provide insightful perspectives and critiques of traditional education systems. The current model of public and private education in former colonies presents a complex picture when it comes to favoring creativity development in students. These education systems often carry legacies of colonial education models, which were designed to serve the administrative and economic needs of the colonizers, focusing on rote learning and memorization rather than creativity and critical thinking. However, there has been a significant shift in recent years, with many former colonies working to reform their education systems to better serve their own developmental needs and aspirations. In many African countries, for example, there is a growing emphasis on reforming education to foster innovation, creativity, and critical thinking skills among students. This is in recognition of the fact that creativity and innovation are crucial for economic development, technological advancement, and solving complex social and environmental challenges. Educational reforms are increasingly focusing on integrating STEAM, science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics into curricula, promoting project-based learning, and encouraging inquiry-based approaches that stimulate critical thinking and creativity. Private education in these contexts often has more flexibility to innovate and adopt new pedagogical approaches that favor creativity. Many private schools and institutions are at the forefront of integrating technology in the classroom, adopting international curricula that emphasize critical thinking and problem-solving skills, and providing extracurricular activities that foster creativity. However, the extent to which creativity is favored in education varies widely across different countries and regions, influenced by factors such as government policy, investment in education, teacher training, and cultural attitudes towards education and creativity. In some cases, challenges such as limited resources, large class sizes, and a continued emphasis on rote learning and examination results can hinder the development of creativity in students. Efforts to promote creativity in education in former colonies are also shaped by the need to address issues of access to quality education, equity, and inclusion. Ensuring that educational reforms benefit all students, including those in rural and underserved communities, is crucial for fostering a generation of creative thinkers and innovators who can contribute to their country's development. The push towards more creative and innovative education systems in former colonies reflects a broader global recognition of the importance of equipping young people with the skills and mindsets needed to navigate a rapidly changing world. As these education systems continue to evolve, the challenge will be to balance the legacy of past models with the demands of the future, ensuring that creativity and innovation are at the heart of learning for all students.